Guard notations up front, please. Ah, they're full brawl.
I'll
I
do
think they're
first.
full brawl.
I'll do first.
Okay,
I'll do
ready.
first. Oh, you do. Okay. You go
Okay.
first.
Run,
Samson.
how can you stay? Can you stay behind me? And if brawlers walk in,
It's you
engage
dropping
on
the
them. Can
gun.
you?
Can you? Okay.
Okay. I will drop. Okay. I will drop now. Okay.
And after that, we're gonna hold and I'm gonna engage shallow. Then you can you push. Then you engage deep. Okay.
Main taruh dulu 5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Yeah. You drop now. You drop now.
Okay.
Okay.
Full brawl
Uh,
natin.
yeah, I know. They're gonna be full brawl. Keep bonking, keep bonking. Okay. Put a pussy, boys. Put a pussy. Tell me tell me first their
Can you book
first
this out,
their...
guys?
I got run.
Okay.
We can.
They all in the boss room, so I don't know.
Okay. We will got run later. You got run first. Okay. There.
Okay.
Yung Southwest here.
Go up.
You catch Liam, catch Berry to catch Liam, never mind.
Nakal dulu.
They really play full brawl, bro. I think we just step our gun
Not
run.
this year.
Just step our gun run.
Okay, hold,
I drop first.
keep bonking.
Yeah, I'll get
bonking,
run now, I'll get
bonk
run now.
bonk
Oh, you
Oh,
got
no.
run.
It's okay.
Okay. After this you go first. Okay. After this. Okay.
I first lah.
Yeah. You go first.
Okay. After this, I go.
Yeah.
I done.
Yo Ram, full engage on the wait lang. Are you on Are you on? Okay, never mind. Yo, start, hold. Nice one, hold. Just hold here on the crown. Just hold in the crown. Okay, ready. I'll
Get
punish
ready,
you.
get ready,
Punish in 5.
I do
4,
8 gets. Okay.
2, 100% the crown.
It's your turn. To drop
Okay,
8.
hold. Come right now. They're
With that,
walking in. Now hold. Kamisi. Copy gigs. Okay, nice. Now come southeast, look southeast. Hold. Def.
You ready?
Walk southeast. Walk southeast. Copy gig. Walk southeast. Southeast on the wall. Southeast on the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is on the wall. One of them.
Get ready.
Now hold here. Spread here. Find me. Keep on balling here. Northwest. Push northwest. Trust me. Push northwest. Trust me, boys. Find me. Touch me. Hold here. Okay, we're gonna look southeast again. Southeast on the wall. See, southeast on the wall. Southeast on the wall in 5,
Get ready. One. Hold.
Southeast on the wall. Delete. Okay, spread here. Come southeast now. Stabilize southeast. Come southeast, boys. Come southeast, my boys. Come southeast and brawl. Come southeast and brawl.
You ready? Drop your E.
10 seconds we're gonna engage. 10 seconds we're gonna engage. Now come northwest, boys. Northwest. CC my northwest side. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Okay, delete that. Okay, spread around here. Now depth, guardian armors. Nice one, no. Come southeast now. Push them southeast. Push.
Okay. Yeah, just drop it.
Push southeast.
While you're
10
ready.
seconds when they engage. Hold. On the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, boys. Find me. On the ground. Nice one. Now
I'll drop
hold.
my
Keep on balling northwest. Northeast. Find them. Look northeast. Roll the healers. Okay, they're coming back. Okay, hold. Hold and brawl here. Come southwest now. Inside the castle. Find me. Inside the castle, boys. Find me. Walk in. CC my southwest side. CC on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Delete this. Nice. Now place the castle. Nice one, Wunho. I saw that. Holy shit.
At nyo na pa.
Kakap ka lang.
You good?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
good.
good,
I'm
good,
good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
okay. Oh, catch, catch, catch.
Who is this guy, bro? Inside here.
Yeah, that was over quick, right? But I guess we can make it. You kill the one that's our left behind us. Kill them. You're ready on the Lord in 5, 4, 3,